sky. I'm sitting here wondering to myself why we don't have a minivan and a couple of kids, or at the very least why our conversations are so short-lived. Not intoxicated, but that's usually how songs about girls on OKCupid come out. But you're something special. I feel like I'm on drugs when I reach the end of your message and you've signed it with love. So respond to my message when you've got the time. I'd stop the clock and watch the seconds melt if you were mine. Okay, that was really fucking cheesy, but I don't apologize. The only thing more cringe-worthy is if I rhymed it with your eyes. Appropriate, you sparkle and you shine, and though only 23, you age as wonderfully as wine. And I'd send you a message with a little more than sup, but girl, I'd subjectify you until the sun decides to come.